Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Planner to integrate with Outlook add-ins. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Planner to integrate with Outlook add-ins, begin by launching your Outlook application. Sign in to your Outlook account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon. Locate and click on the Get Add-ins option. This will open the Office add-ins window. In the search bar, type Planner and hit Enter. You will see the Microsoft Planner add-in listed in the results. Click on the Add button next to the Planner add-in. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to add the add-in. Click on Continue to proceed with the installation. Once installed, you will see Planner integrated into your Outlook interface. Next, return to your Planner application in a web browser. Sign in to Microsoft Planner with the same account you use for Outlook. To ensure integration, create or open an existing plan in Planner. Navigate to the plan where you want to use the Outlook add-in. On the right side of the plan, find the E icon for more options. Click on this icon and select Copy Link to Plan. Open Outlook again and create a new email or calendar event. Paste the link to your planner in the email or calendar event. This allows recipients to access the planner directly from Outlook. Now you have successfully authorized an integrated planner with your Outlook add-ins. You are ready to enhance productivity by using both tools seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.